Hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore batch processing in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, and we discuss why it is used, where to find it, and what limitation you should be aware of. So first, you can log in your sandbox. So under the merchant tool, we have a product and catalog option. Click on that. Inside that you can see batch process. Over there you can use for to modify products catalog. And we have one more batch process inside the customer. They only perform deletion operation. Batch processes in Salesforce Commerce Cloud are used to automate time-consuming tasks like data import, catalog update, and price adjustment. They help streamline backend operation by running job or scheduler basis on demand. While powerful, they also come with limitations such as execution time, memory usage, and job dependency management, which developer must consider during the implementation time. So that's all about this video. In next video, we're gonna learn how we can use batch process. Thanks for watching.